of all, I would like to really appreciate and thank the initiative taken by the entire HR team, Amal sir, you, Debashish, and definitely the entire team for organizing such an event. Secondly, on behalf of the entire admissions team and obviously HR team, I would like to thank you, Deepak sir, for being so patient. It's not easy to communicate with so many people directly in this situation. So thank you so much for being our trainer and being here. Secondly, about the learnings. See, day-to-day activity-wise, when we participate in events like this, these are the ones that actually again take back into our classroom what we have learned, and then again in these lectures we'll try to analyze what we could have done better or what we are not doing over the last few days. The most important part was what we have learned over this period, the entire RISE program. I like the probing part, which you've taught us how to do it, the power gritting part, which was very, very important, and that thing of getting into the public, getting into the customers' shoes and understanding them. And finally, today's session was the icing in the cake, where I had the opportunity of getting feedback from our own team who are into this profession day in and day out, and this is the best part overall into the entire 5-day session. So thank you so much for actually tolerating us and helping us in one in many ways. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, please.
Yes.
Yes, please.
So, I would just like to say that, this entire session for the last 5 days has been really interesting and entertaining with all the activities that we have been doing. All the things we have learned, all of us somewhere, we were acquainted with all these terms. But then what this RISE program has helped us, to how to implement it uniformly and to put it in our job so that we can get a positive feedback from our customers and walk throughout the given guidelines, So I would like to say thank you to you and Amal sir for this entire arrangement of this entire session. And it was really very helpful interacting with everyone. And in this kind of situation where we are, working from home, this has been like really a very good getaway and a refreshment kind of thing for all of us. So thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Nilasha?
Good evening, sir. It was really a very good experience for each and everyone, especially for me. Especially there are small things that we every day definitely we take more than 100 plus calls, and we really deal with customers with different situations. But we miss out many things, many etiquettes or many gestures that we should have maintained it. But these 5 days session had really helped me, and definitely whenever I will take call or I will be in front of a customer, I will try to recall and try to implement them. And thank you so much for being so patient and listening to each of us in such a manner. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Priyanka?
Good evening, sir. So first of all, I would like to thank our HR team and Amal sir for organizing this session. And secondly, sir, thank you, sir, because you have been such a patiently, you have listened all of us, and you have given us so much knowledge and to deal with the students, with the parents and everything. So thank you so much for this, sir. I have learned a lot, and especially on this Teachers' Day. So in some way, you guys have been our teacher to teach us some things in our ways. So thank you so much.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Raja?
So am I audible?
Yes, please speak.
Yes, please. Okay, so my last 5 days journey have been very unique, I would say, because I have been working in Amity for 2.5 years now, and the journey has been kind of similar because I have to speak to the students, parents, and council students, not really into hardcore sailing as well. So I was kind of missing the presentation skills which I have learned throughout my classes. So these training sessions have helped me to gain some knowledge and get back the experience which I already had in my college days. So as far as presentation skills are to be concerned, then I have gained those things back, and I have learned something new which was probably already there in my mind, but then it was somewhere kind of lost. So you guys have done really remarkable work to put that back into my head so that I could exactly use that again and make more use of it. And I would like to get more sessions like this so that it actually teaches us after the entire day speaking to the students, parents, and counseling them, that in the end, even if you're happy, even if you're not happy, if some task has been given to you, you have to perform it well. And the task that we got from all of you, and we have tried to perform and compete with shoulder to shoulder with all the other teammates of us. So that was quite a challenging aspect of us. So I kind of love the sessions. And in the end, it was kind of like commitment, which throughout the 5 days we have to be to maintaining it patiently, give our views, opinions. So it was actually a mix of everything which we have learned, and I will cherish it for until the next time this session, whenever you guys would be able to arrange. So I kind of love the entire journey of 5 days. And thank you.
Thank you very much. Rajashri.
Yes, I would like to thank you, Amal sir, and the entire team HR for conducting such a energetic and so refreshing session for five days. And it is very much needed, and it is a need of this art, because we are going through this admission season right now. So each and every tips shared by you, sir, will be very, very helpful to convert our students, or maybe for the admission. That will be very, very helpful, and we will consciously use all the tricks and all the tips shared by you and the methodologies. Definitely it is going to be benefited us, and we are actually looking forward for more sessions like this.
A sincere thanks to Deepak for conducting this 5-day program in such a simple, lucid manner, wherein the learnings can be translated into our daily work. Thanks to the candid feedback from participants, it will go a long way in helping us to improve further. I was listening to the feedback, a few things which are very noteworthy. Mithun talked about small things, injections. Nikita talked about implementation. Nilasha also spoke in a similar manner, similar words. I know quite a few of you expressed the desire to have such programs in future. Definitely, the journey has just begun in this endeavor. So thank you for all your support. Thank you for listening patiently and providing a platform of 5 days which have been well utilized in sharing, in learning, and most importantly in coming together as a team, which was not possible in the last 6 months. So this training session has helped in regaining that face-to-face bond. I think one of the most important things which was not possible in all these days. And definitely thanks to the IT team who have ensured that this happened flawlessly, bringing together so many participants. The final thing was about participation, keeping everyone motivated, putting in their best in terms of feedbacks and asking questions. So the exercise which started on day 1 has come to a conclusion. So Deepak, will you mind sharing
Yes.
which team has got the highest marks?
All right, so I'll go in a sequential manner. So what has happened finally on the final day, Catalyst, they scored 1030 points total. And Avengers,
some applause.
yes.
Let's have some applause.
Absolutely. So, and Avengers, they also coincidentally scored 1030 points. And Conquerors, they scored 1000 precisely. And Amada scored 1055. So the winner is Team Amada. So a round of applause for them, and congratulations to all the winners, because
Amada.
I personally feel that all of you are winners.
So there will be a surprise gift for all team members of Amada, and that will be presented once we are in a better situation to meet face to face. So, in conclusion, time well spent. I think once again, thanks to you, Deepak, for this platform of introspection and to all our colleagues from the sales and marketing department. Any final words from you, Deepak?
Sir, the only final word is thank you very much. Stay safe.